Hi, my name's Prayan Jayden and I'm 10 years old. My project is about collecting coins to help villagers. The SDG I've applied is SDG 1. The main challenge I faced was that I couldn't talk to the villagers. I fixed this by changing how my coalition function works. Now I'll show you how my project works. We collect coins. And after we get 5 coins, we talk to the villager. After we talk to the villager, we go to the NPC. Please collect 10 coins to repair the bridge. Now we need to collect 10 coins. After we get 10 coins, we can help this villager to fix the bridge. This is my project. Thank you.